It's your day, Daddy. Guys, do they look the same? Good morning, guys. Welcome back to our channel. And it is Sunday, guys, and it's also Father's Day here in Australia. So we are taking Dada out for lunch. So we are currently in SEDDON in Melbourne, and we actually didn't book anything. So we don't know where we're going, but we're just gonna go for a walk and find something. Good morning. Morning. Grabe guys, no? Grabe kayo lamig yung tulog, guys. Alas 12 na ni Bakod. Kumusta ba yung tulog daw? Grabe, siguro ng damgo. Guys, I've got my really thick coat, guys, because I thought it's gonna be really cold. But surprisingly, it's not, so just gonna very casual, guys. Nothing special. You know what you know? But crossing the road. See Dada's new tattoo, guys. Oh, it's healing now. Looks really good. And that's Mimi. Tak, pakita sa Mac. Pakita sa imong Mac outfit.
And my tattoo tip.
Yeah, pa ibo po siya sa imong tattoo, guys. Gidrawing na ako, guys, kay lampo ang guys. See, Melbourne, guys, really big with you know, like the bundle. You see, guys, everywhere. It's graffitis. But it looked nice.
Alphabet.
This one? Alpha box. Oh, gee, it's full, Bob. Father's Day? Yeah. Everywhere we go, it's full. Because we didn't make any appointment, guys. Appointment booking. So because it's Father's Day, it's so busy. Oh, this one is okay. What's this one though?
Pizza.
Oh, pizza.
I asked you if you wanted to go on a walk with milk.
Close. Honey. Shh.
Look at Mama.
Shh. Honey.
Oh,
Oh.
what's this?
Wow, have a look at her outfit.
Book, dirty book.
Book. Wow, that's so smart, honey.
What's this? What's that?
Daddy, you want Thai massage, Daddy?
I was thinking of Thai food.
Yeah, well, we could get Thai food. You're not getting the massage. Dude, that road there. Lola, see? Lola. We're going to Lola. See if Lola is available.
Lola.
Beers, wine. No? No, Daddy? See, guys, I told you. You don't want that?
That is chicken parma.
Huh? I don't think there's more. I think he made up his mind, guys. We're going there. Oh, open. Ah, nice.
Yeah.
Tara, picture din ako. Picture na. Ay, video lang. Kaya talaga yung camera. Alis na. Kalma na kayo. Oh. Yeah, sure. Definitely. Fun. Hi, what would you like to order, honey? Which one? Which one? Oh. Peekaboo!
I already know what you was gonna get. 100%.
What's that?
Alright.
Peekaboo! What are you ordering, Mala? A little girl's got cold. It's like mama. Smell a bit? It's order, guys. Kung ano tamak? Probably just get plain grilled cheeseburger. Because for sure it's big. So tunga-tunga na lang nani guys. Lama-lama guys, wag yung bayad.
budget.
Honey, what would you like? Huh?
The orange juice and the
Antay mo na. Kaya ako anak ito.
kamangwangan.
We've got the orange juice. We've got a hot chocolate. And Paris got her baby PINAY. Yum yum? Oh, she loves it. It's your day, Daddy. Guys, do they look the same? Yeah, a lot of people say yes. So yeah, it's majority. You finish your baby Chino? Bullying it? Have a look at this massive burger, guys. So Mimi and I just going to share, and that's what that's got. Mushroom, egg,
Different types of
and Paris is eating chips.
You will take
We're
the
just gonna give Paris some chips. Put this away, honey.
stick.
There you go. Yo, bakla na unsa kaning kakaunsa. Yummy, bon appetit.
Nothing.
She's eating, Bob. Yum. Yum. We just finished our lunch, guys. Come on, my love. Daddy, did you like your lunch?
Yes.
Good. Did you like your burger?
Yes.
Yes. not walking now? It was actually really good, guys. I love the burger. It's one of the best burger that I ever had
I'll rate it
in
next to the Quanti.
in Australia.
St. Kilda.
Which one's better?
St. Kilda?
You reckon?
Yeah.
I think that one's the best. The one we just had. But yeah, guys, that's the Father's Day lunch for Daddy. And now I don't know where we're going, but yeah, we'll see you guys in a bit. Bye. Guys, at Melbourne Airport. Dili mi magbiyahe guys ha. Magtanaw may plano guys. Ugnaw makasagawas guys. Uy, nanulod na lang mi guys. Uy. See, we're watching planes. Uy, lupat. Yeah. It's a plane. Have a look. Why? There. Wow. Plane. There.
Check it out so she can watch it though.
Take her out.
Huh?
Take her out. Can you see the plane? Asa man siya mag-land?
Yeah, it's on the side. It's on the side of
Hagtang ni Gabo. Plane! Wow!
Sadang po.
Yay! There it is! Wow!
Air New Zealand.
Singapore Airlines. Singapore Airlines. Yay! Welcome to Melbourne! Yay! Did you like that?
Plane.
Yang bata ti ulan ti ha?
Turn around. Look. Shut up.
Hi guys! Bulingit ko guys! Say hi! It's raining man, yes! It's raining guys, we're stuck.
We're stuck in the middle of the sea.
Mimi's driving. So we just saw 2 planes and that's about it. And now it's raining. Bye. Say hi, honey. Oh, there's more plane. What's that? What's that bar? What's that? Plane. Plane. But, oh, one more plane. Yeah. Oh, yes. Clap hands. Yeah. Well, that's about it for today's vlog, guys. We're gonna go home now. Aren't we? Are we going home now? Oh, one more. Okay. One more. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. We'll see you all guys in our next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't,
Be careful.
be careful. Nagbaboy na siya. Bye! 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 Flying kiss? Mwah! Mwah!
Hello.
Plane! What's that? plane. Rain too hard, isn't it? Alright. What's the sound of a ship? What's the sound of a horse? What's the sound of a dog? What's the sound of a cow? What's the sound of a cat? Plane. Ooh. What's the sound of the snake? Where's your teeth? Where's your nose? Nose. Bulingit nga nose. Good girl. Yeah. Bye-bye.